everyone, my name's Etti and today I'll be showing you how I create a quick 5-minute makeup look using MUA Cosmetics.
So I'm going to start with the moisturising primer to make sure that my makeup lasts all day long. Then I'm going in with the full coverage concealer. I'm using two today, one to correct and one to conceal. First I'm using the shade 140 as it has a peachy pink undertone which will correct any darkness. Then I'm using shade 110 to conceal under my eyes and anywhere else I need more coverage. Using the F6 brush, I'm going to add some warmth and definition to my skin using the Blush Liquid Cream Blush in the shade Taupe Tango, which is a warm, bronzy shade. And now I'm adding a pop of colour to my cheeks using the shade Misty Rose. You can even use this on the lips to tie the whole look together. I'm now going to fill in my brows using the Brow Define Precision Eyebrow Pencil in the shade Mid Brown. This product is so handy as it has a brow brush on one side and a fine pencil on the other side so you can create realistic hair-like strokes. Next, using the E2 brush and the Essential Shadow in the shade Pecan, I'm going to sweep the colour through my crease to add some definition. Here I'm using the Travel Eyelash Curler as I have quite straight lashes, and I'm going to hold that curl in place and add volume using the Amplify Statement Lash Mascara. Bright and tired looking eyes using the Intense Colour Eyeliner in the shade Snow Queen. For a lip colour that will last all day long, use the Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick. Here I'm using the shade Halcyon. And that's my quick and easy 5-minute makeup. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you next time.